What's going on, folks? Hope you're doing good. I'm Sanaber Kande and you're watching Ask the Nerd. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to make the anonymous voice. For more tutorials subscribe Ask the Nerd. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. You're watching Ask the Nerd. How you get the anonymous voice. If you feel this video helpful, give a thumbs up. If you do that, it will definitely encourage me to do more amazing content for you. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. You're watching Ask the Nerd and this is your host Sanaber Kande. Cheers, have a good one. Catch you guys soon for the next video. Peace out.